Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, look here. I have three pencils. Okay, what is this? These are the pencils. I'm keeping them in different position. See? Yes. Here there is a three pencils in different position. I'm sure that you already knows that a standing line. Okay? Standing line look like this. Means the position of this pencil is in standing line. Am right, students? This pencil position is in standing line. Okay. Now look at the second pencil. Yes, this one. The position of this pencil is in sleeping line. Means look like this. See, sleeping line look like this. The position of this pencil will look like a sleeping line. Okay, this pencil is look like a standing line and this pencil is look like a sleeping line. Now look at the third one. This is the position of this pencil is standing or sleeping. See how I am keeping this pencil. It is looking like a standing line. No. It is looking like a sleeping line. No. I have kept this pencil in a slanting position or in a bending position. This is how a slanting line look like. What shall we call this line? It is slanting lines. Means इसको हमने थोड़ा सा bend करके रखा है like this. Okay, so इस तरह की जो बेंड लाइन होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्लेंटिंग लाइन. सो टुडे आई विल गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ स्लेंटिंग लाइन. हाउ टू ड्रॉ और मेक अ स्लेंटिंग लाइन. सो स्टूडेंट, फर्स्टली टेक आउट योर इंग्लिश वर्कबुक. ओके, and open page number 11. Look here, you see some lines. Is this line a standing line? No. Is this line a sleeping line? No. This is a slanting line. Okay. Firstly, today we will learn about slanting line. This is your topic name. Firstly, put it date here. Today's is 01-06-2020. Okay. Yes. Our topic name is slanting line. Okay. Slanting line. Today is our topic. Now look here. These are some lines. Students, tell me. This line is look like a standing line? No. स्टैंडिंग लाइन तो एकदम स्ट्रेट लाइन होती है जो कि अप से बॉटम पे आती है ना. एंड दिस लाइन इज लुक लाइक अ स्लीपिंग लाइन. नो. स्लीपिंग लाइन ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. बट हियर द लाइन इज वेरी डिफरेंट. The line is not a standing line or not a sleeping line. Means the slanting line look like this slanting line. Okay. See, slanting line कैसे होती है? Yes, slanting line is always started from top to bottom. But ये थोड़ा सा bend होती है like this. Not a straight line. ये थोड़ा सा बेंड होती है. लुक, one dot is here and one dot is here and join the dots. This line is called as slanting line. Now students, this is your today's homework. So firstly put it SW here. Okay. Now join all the dots very carefully. Trace the slanting line. Look like I have used this crayon. You can also use crayons, okay, for join the dots. Start from this point, means up to down like this. This is slanting line. Yes, this is slanting line. Join all the dots very carefully. Yes, these lines are called slanting line. Slanting line कैसी होती है? थोड़ा सा bend होती है. Slanting line start from top to bottom like this. Okay, so complete all these lines like this. Students, आपको भी लाइन को ट्रेस करना है. ओके, लाइक दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ओके, यू ट्रेस इट लाइक दिस. Yes, trace all the lines like this. Students, आपको ये खुद से करना है. ओके, आपको किसी की हेल्प नहीं लेना है. Now after completing this slanting line, you have to color the clouds. What is the color of clouds, students? Yes, blue. So you can use blue color for color the clouds like this. Okay, students, while coloring, don't go outside the margin or border of the cloud. Okay, coloring like this. Student, this is your task. पेरेंट्स को नहीं करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, you doing color like this. Okay, your page is completed. आपको भी सेम ऐसे ही करना है. This is your today's homework. Understood? Students, complete it and submit to. Okay, rest of the exercise हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंप्लीट करेंगे. टुडेज ओनली one page your homework. Now come to the next video.